video. I have some seafood boil with the W.Blove sauce and some lemon water. So I have some shrimps, lobster tail, potatoes, eggs, crab legs, corn, and king crab leg. It's the first time I'm having king crab leg. I'm so excited to try this. It's the first thing I'm gonna eat. But first, please don't forget to like this video and please don't forget to subscribe. So we're gonna go in. Oh, does they have lobster tails? They have lobster tails. To cut this, I'm gonna go in first with the king crab. Cause they go. I'm ready to go in. Alright, so let me try this. Oh. Oh. I need the scissors. Oh, just. Very easy to cut. I like that. I don't want to be struggling. Texting me the wrong time. As soon as I saw the video, you want to text, right? Anyways. Boom. Got it. Ooh. Yeah, these don't have to be struggling. Best piece for last. So what's today? Oh, today Tuesday. That means yeah, over there eating tacos, huh? I was gonna get some tacos. I'm not a big fan of tacos, but I've ate it before. And I wanted to try the birria. Is it birria? I was gonna try it last week, but I thought something else when I came off work. Damn, this thing is poking me. They whatever this is, it's poking me. Oh, bro. I don't like this. Next time I'm gonna do a D-shell because I don't like this thing poking me. God. I was just struggling. Not for the big part. Please let be a big piece in there. Good size. Yeah, I'm gonna do a D-shell next time. I don't got time to be picking this thing up. Oh damn, I forgot my lemon over there. Ooh, please don't break. Don't break. I don't want it to break. Oh, look at it. Look at it, guys. How big it is. I don't want it to break. Come on. Yeah. That was so worth it. this took up too much time. That shouldn't taste good. A little lobster tail. Not a little. Oh my god, that's so good. I need to buy. My sauce is almost finished. My W.Blove. My W.Blove sauce is almost finished. I need to buy another one. I think she have on sale too. Spicy. Next time I'm gonna buy the mild one. That's another shrimp. Why are they so spicy today? Dang. Did I put too much in there? Or is it always like this? I'm putting too much. Damn. Too much pepper. I'm eating there. I'm done. That was a whole lot of meat. You guys will see it. That was a whole lot of meat. So. Oh. Look at it. There you go. All that meat. Now see it? King crab tastes good. Tastes good, but it's too damn expensive for me. Okay, what else do you eat yet? I gotta get everything ready. We're gonna go back for the last king crab. So two of them was $50. Like, oh, I'm really over here struggling. My next seafood boil is gonna be a dish shell seafood. This is too freaking much. Taking up too much time. And I wonder, but listen, I'll give like props to to W.Blove and all them other mukbangers, because this thing is not easy. This is a lot of work. I'm like, damn, when am I gonna finish? It's a lot of work. It is. So when people do that, and then they have to go get ready and all that, you gotta appreciate them for even getting up to even want to do a seafood every day. Every day. Because I don't know. I don't think I could do this every day. It's a lot. I think it's poking me. It's a lot, so. And then people just wanna judge you how you eat. Like, listen, sometimes I don't hear how I eat until I'm editing the video. Sometimes I crop out some of it, and sometimes I leave it because, like, I'm eating. You want me to be stush? Because then when I start to be stush, I'm not going to be stush. So it's like, can't win. I can't win with people. Because if you're eating stush, or what do you call it up here? Bougie. If you're eating bougie on camera, they're gonna say, oh, look why she acting like that, blah, blah, blah. And then if she eating like her regular self, it's still a problem. Like, make up on your mind. Make up on your mind. I don't just judge people too much. I don't judge people too much. Like, I understand y'all not used to that, but y'all the one that get up and go on people them channel and watch them live, them eat food, so I want to expect. Like, people is not going to be sitting there and please you. Like, that's why W.Blove was getting so much hate. At first, when I was watching her, I'm not gonna lie, I was like, oh, she going in, but I wasn't like judging her. I was like, she going in. But at the same time, she's being herself. Like, she's being herself. The lady is being herself. And who else can you be but yourself? That's just what it is. People not trying to look cute and eat at the same time. What's the point? So if I don't like the smacking and all that, I don't know what to tell you. Y'all over there judging her. And she rich as hell. You think she care what y'all say? You think she care about what nobody thinks? Like, and honestly, I wouldn't care either. I wouldn't care either, because the same eating apples you don't like, the way I eat is what making me money. Okay? So I wouldn't even care either. I wouldn't even care. I used to go over there and I see mad like comments under her page, like the way she's smacking her mouth and blah blah blah. Like, leave the lady alone. Shit, the lady rich. You think she care? People just go over there to this, like, that's how you know. You have haters, because they don't want to go over there and watch you and comment something negative under your post. Like, what's the point of you doing that? You don't like me, but you come to watch it. And then you want to write negative shit under the post. Like, go get a life or something. Yeah, they just go over there every day to go mess with the woman and write mad negative shit on the whole post. I'm just so glad she just get up every day and do the same thing and don't care, because If you care about what people think, you will never have your life, okay? This is not working. I was not trying to cut it in between, but damn, listen. Please don't break. Oh, baby. I get full so quick. It's so hard for me not to break that. Damn, this thing is caught my hand up. Cut it again. Cut it again, but not that. Something out bother me, yo. This made me not to want to buy no more king crab because the thing is messing on my hand. But that joke me. It's really poking me though, like that shit is annoying. Backside, man. Sure. I ate a lot. I think I'm gonna end this video soon. I don't want it to be too long. I'm just gonna be posting different videos. I noticed I've been slacking. Okay, I'm trying to give vlogs and stuff. Whatever comes to mind. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, you. I think that tastes good though. I'm glad you did, because nah, for real, I'm getting full. I'm getting cold. Alright, I'm about to finish this. I think it's different. I know. I forgot the name of the shrimp that was. Damn, I remember. Yeah, I had the worst memory. Ooh. Alright guys, I'm done. I'm full. I is oh honey. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please like my videos so YouTube could push my videos around to other people. I think I said this before in another video, but I'm gonna keep saying it again because y'all watching the video, which I do appreciate. But y'all not liking it. I would really appreciate it. I would really appreciate it if you guys like the video for real. So that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.